How to analyze trends on forex.com app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to analyze trends on forex.com, you can use the combination of technical analysis tools, price chart patterns, and trend indicators. So you need to focus on identifying the overall direction of price movement. That is uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. For example, you can head over to any stocks, open up the charts of that stock. Once you are in the chart page, in order to analyze the trends, first of all, you need to understand the basics. A trend refers to a general direction of price movement over a period of time. Tap on the three dots icon in the top right, select the chart settings, and here you can see the time frame option. Tap on this. You can select the time frame from here. And the next thing is uptrend, the higher highs and the higher lows. Over here in the top right, you can see the high and lows. You can analyze the uptrends from here. And the next is downtrend. Downtrend refers to the lower highs and the lower lows. Again, similarly, in the top right, you can see that information too. And another is sideways trend, that is neither higher highs nor lower lows. So these price charts, trend lines, and moving averages indicators are very important in order to analyze the trends. So the very easy and experimental way to do that is you can use a demo account for yourself. You can create a demo account in this forex.com app, and you can practice analyzing trends, and you can test your strategies on a demo account. So that's how you can easily analyze trends on forex.com app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.